This wig is nice and silky. It moves when I move. It is 100% virgin hair. You can see by the quality, you can see by the movement, you can see by the lace. I love the fact that this wig, the parting space is nice and long. You know what, it is giving natural hair, period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by I Like Hair Company, and baby, as y'all can see, we are looking like a 10 out of 10. Okay, we are looking gorgeous. When I move, this wig is moving with me to show that it is good quality. This is the highest quality, and that's on per, okay? Because what do you mean that this wig is glueless? This wig came like this. Literally everything, guys. The only thing that I did to this wig was just to put it on my head, and that was it. Okay, I Like Hair Company. This is 10 out of 10. Get yourself this wig, guys. Please check the description box down below. I have direct links for you to purchase this gorgeous wig from I Like Hair Company. Without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video so that I can show you all the goodies and how this wig looks inside and how gorgeous it is. Okay, straight out of the box. Look at the shininess. Silky, silky, silky. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, okay?
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
So I want to show you all the goodies that I Like Hair sent me. This is their box. It is nice and a bright orange. It is written I Like Hair. So let me show you guys all the goodies that they sent me. They were kind enough to send me this wig grip. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a lifesaver. And different shades as well, so that you can put them in your pot. And I Like Hair wig band. It has a Velcro and of course a wig cap. Now this is a 100% virgin hair. It is a bob that moves because it's quality, and it is from I Like Hair. Look at this. This is quality, guys. I just want to show you guys the shine of this wig. Look at the blunt cut situation. They did such a great job. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this wig inside. Wow, I like a deep parting, and look at this. This is nice and elongated. This wig is going to look like my real hair, okay, because this parting is nice and long. And guys, look at the lace, just disappears just like that. By the way, guys, this wig came like this. It came pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-cut, okay? Like they even bleached the knots, so meaning this wig is beginner friendly. You have to get yourself this wig. It has, oh my goodness, I'm seeing something that I haven't seen before. OMG. So this wig has a Velcro wig band, which you can actually adjust according to your head size. So if your head is small, you can adjust it to your liking. If your head is big, you can still wear this wig. So this is a one size fits all kind of wig, okay? They made sure that this wig is so comfortable so you can wear it all day. Look at this. Look at this. The cap is nice and stretchy. I'm so pleased to see that this wig has, you know, you can wear this wig all day because your ears are not going to be hurt. You can see here this wig is, you know, C-shaped to give your ears some space. So you're going to wear this wig the whole day. So I cannot wait to show you guys how this wig looks, because already I can see how shiny this wig is. It is nice and soft, okay? Look at this. It is bouncy, okay? So wow, this is a 10 out of 10 already, and it came like this. If you're a beginner, get yourself this wig, okay? Wow, this wig is so soft. It is soft, it is silky. Look at this, guys. I want to show you something now. Guys, look at this. Look at this. All the hairs are the same. They're going in one direction. All the hairs are one size. Okay, you know, usually your closure hairs, they're a little bit short, you know, but look at this. Look at this wig. I Like Hair said, you know what, we are going to create a good quality wig, and I love this. This is the greatest quality, guys. Like, I don't even want to lie to you guys. It is bobbing. Okay, I'm telling you, this wig is doing what it's supposed to do. Guys, I have my straightener here. I don't even know. I don't even know why I turned it on, because this wig is perfect. Sure. Let me shake my head and show you guys that this wig is not going anywhere. Secure. It is secure. Guys, do you see what I meant when I said you can wear this wig the whole day? It is not going to hurt your ear, because the C-shaped wig cap that I Like Hair company used to create this wig, it is top tier. Okay, look at this. My ear is breathing. Okay, I will be able to wear this wig the whole day without the need to take it off, because my ears will not be hurting. Okay, guys, I'm just straightening this wig just because it is pre-styled to the T. I'm just doing it just, you know. A perfect bob.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the road, no location. I don't want them see me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the road, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @CurlyMemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from I Like Hair company. Until next time, you guys, bye. I'm so happy. Quality. Wow.